amateurs would come out here and blast this with high pressure, take out mortar in between the bricks. It blasts nasty damage into this cast stone precast. It's not about the pressure sometimes when you wash, it's about your technique. And sometimes, like in this case, you let the solutions do the work for you. It's not a pressure thing, it's a solution-based cleaning. Some people think you need to come out here with a 4,000 PSI pressure washer and just blast all this shit off. It's not what needs to happen, and that's not what's gonna happen. We're gonna shoot these chemicals on there, let it dwell, and do a soft rinse. The delicate surface will be undamaged, the organic growth will be taken care of, and the customer will be happy and possibly give me some more work. They need to soft wash more than what I'm soft washing right now, but it's a property management company, and with property management companies sometimes the budget supersedes the need. So they told me what they could pay, I told them what I could provide, and that's what we're doing. Alright, we're back. Only thing we've done is shot our solution. It's had a little bit of, it's had about 9 minutes to dwell. No rinsings happened, just the application of the chemical and a little bit of dwell time. As you can see, it's drastically reduced the amount of black. I should go show you what's going on down here. And here is this. Again, you can drastically see a difference. No rinse has happened, and keep in mind this is cast stone or precast, so it holds a enormous amount of moisture in the stone itself for a long time. Most of the time when I do these jobs, it takes 5 to 7 days for you to see the actual final results. Wait for the moisture to evaporate out of the stone. But that's what it looks like with no rinse. And we're back after the rinse. We just finished rinsing this down. It looks great now. It's going to be a little dark because it has all the water moisture in it, but like I said in the previous video, in about a week, 5 to 7 days, it'll dry out and turn white like it was originally. But that precast and cast stone holds a lot of moisture. Here's the other one. Looks great. No damage, no growth, no problem. If you guys have commercial pressure washing needs, soft washing needs, give us a call. 214 Pressure Washing. We service the entire Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.